For the most of your life, you wanted other people's validation. You cared way too much about what other people think about you. You probably don't like yourself. You have a body that you dislike. You have negative cycle of thoughts. You probably eat junk food, play video games, smoke, drink, spend too much of your time watching Netflix. You probably have low confidence. You struggle to take action. But you have been searching for help. You're trying to improve yourself. You are setting goals even though you're not reaching them, but you're trying your best to reach them. You have the drive to achieve goals, but you need some things to click for you to actually do the work and be consistent. If you relate to anything I said in this video, this is going to be a complete guide on how to fix your life to get you to a point where you find happiness, fulfillment, and are on the right path in life. Chapter 1: Taking action. If you barely took any action in your life, start by taking action towards the easy things. It's going to feel like the easy things aren't going to make a difference, but everything adds up and it builds your confidence. Start by making your bed. Action step: do this right now. Go and make your bed if it's not already made, and go and make your bed tomorrow as well, and all the days coming after. Don't let your mom make your bed. Do it by yourself. You gotta do it by yourself. This is from one of my favorite YouTubers, Hamza. He said, do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. That is the secret to taking action. It is not relying on motivation. Motivation comes and goes. You're never gonna regret doing the hard work today. It only makes tomorrow easier. Another action step is to meditate. I'm gonna go more into this topic in the later chapters in this video, but pause this video right now and meditate for 3 minutes. The app of the meditation is going to pop up here. You can just search it up and download it on Play Store or Apple Store. Chapter 2: 100% responsibility. You are responsible for 100% of the things that happen in your life. With this belief, you will be successful, fit, happy, and confident and social. Action step: say this right now. Pause this video and say this right now. No, say it with me. I am responsible for 100% of the things that happen in my life. Let's say someone said or did something to you that you didn't like. It's how you react to what they did or what they said. You can control yourself, but you can't control others. The best revenge is to not be like the people that did you wrong. Be better. You have the power to overcome any situation in your life. It's how you overcome them. If you can't fix it yourself, you could ask others for help. Asking others is also your responsibility to fixing your life. Ask the people that you trust and that you're close with. You being responsible for everything will make you stop blaming other people for what you couldn't achieve. It will make you responsible for everything that matters in life. You being responsible will make you get a better grade in school, lose that fat and be fit, quit drinking and smoking. If you are not responsible for your life, you won't be able to see these changes. Remember, you are 100% responsible. Chapter 3: Good mental health. A good mental health will make everything line up in life. You will feel happy, you will want to socialize more, you'll want to go to the gym more, you will feel positive about life. But the question is, how do you have a good mental health? How do you be happier? Practice mindfulness and being grateful for everything in your life. So, how do you be grateful for everything in your life? Have a gratitude journal and journal on it every day. I'll link the journal in the description down below. So, how do you be mindful? You do it by meditating every day in your life, at least for 3 minutes. I'll link the app also in the description, but you can search it up here. If you're not mindful, you'll be distracted while doing other things in life. You won't be present. But if you are mindful, you'll be in a flow state. Also, here's an action step for you to do today and every day as you go on. Make a list of things you're grateful for. So for today, just add one thing that you're grateful for. Practicing gratitude is when you sit and appreciate the things you have. Last but not least is to stop using social media. You have no idea how much time you're wasting and how much garbage you're consuming by scrolling on social media. All the research shows that social media is bad for health. Try to use social media only when you're video calling or texting. Add in activities like finishing your homework and working out in the gym to avoid social media. Just show up to work and you will have major progress. I have been implementing all these things in my life and it has made me a lot happier as a human. Chapter 4: physical health and building a healthy body. Being physically fit will make you smile every time you look at the mirror and be happy about the progress you made. Everyone can see this, and everyone, whether they have the confidence or not, respects the work you put in. Everyone can see how hard you worked. People don't want to care about their physical health, but the thing they don't understand is physical health correlates with their mental health. We're so focused on getting girls, playing video games, that we don't have time for the gym. To get physically fit and build a healthy body, it requires time and effort. Stop wasting your time playing video games and have the time to hit the gym and eat healthy food. You can eat small amounts of junk food, but most of the time you should be eating healthy food. And you should also be doing cardio, not just hitting the gym. There's so many types of cardios you could do: swim, jog, run, go on the bicycle, or you can do jumping jacks. Find what you enjoy and keep doing it. Be consistent on your routine. Here's your action step right now. Brainstorm the cardio you enjoy doing and find a workout routine and follow it for 3 months. I will link videos to gym workouts in the description down below. Following the routine and finishing the task you set up for yourself will increase your confidence. If you keep doing this daily, you will increase your confidence because you are telling yourself that you're going to do it, and you're doing it over and over again. This builds up confidence. This shows that you go to work even when you don't want to go to work. Keep it up and don't quit, and you will build your dream physique in no time. You won't even realize when you did it. You'll just be putting in the work after work. You'll start to love the process, and you'll just build it out of nowhere. But it requires a lot of discipline and consistency. It's going to be hard, but you will be glad you finished your workout every day you go to the gym. Chapter 5: Productivity. You are probably addicted to the internet. You are mindlessly scrolling through Instagram shorts and TikTok reels, watching self improvement videos but struggling to take action, and playing video games. The young men who are leveling up in real life is not leveling up in a video game. To make improvements in your life, it takes time and effort, both of which video games drain. Replace video games with weightlifting and replace social media with socializing with people in real life. Netflix, video games, porn, junk food, weed feels easy, comfortable, and fun, but they lead to long term dissatisfaction of wasted potential. Your life gets worse each time you consume these substances. Imagine playing 4 hours of video games for 1 month every day. Ask yourself, will you feel better about it? Will your mental health and physical health be better? Now, imagine going to the gym 2 hours a day for a month. Ask yourself, will your mental health and physical health get better? The answer to the first question is probably a no. The answer to the second question is probably a yes. Reducing instant gratification and increasing delayed gratification is an investment to your future self. It's hard to go to the gym after a long Netflix or video games session. It's hard to stay on your healthy diet when you have cookies, muffins, chips, chocolates, soda, ice cream, all these junk food in your house. It's very hard to stay on your diet if you have all these things in your house, if you keep buying Timbits, donuts, all this junk food in your house. Make a schedule of your daily routine. Put everything you do in a day on a specific time. And following the routine every day will build your confidence because you're telling yourself you're gonna do it and you end up doing it. Obviously, it's gonna fluctuate. You're not gonna do this in the right time, do that. You're gonna be a bit late in doing this, be late in doing that. But as long as you get the work done, you will build that confidence. You will be more productive at the end of the day. Your timetable shouldn't just have tasks at hand, it should also have time for you to rest. Let's say you drink or smoke. Mindfulness is a solution to that. Have a mindfulness journal and journal on it every day and meditate for 3 minutes. Chapter 6: Social skills and relationships. How do you improve your social skills? How do you build relationships? Here's an action step right now. Read the book on How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. If you don't have time to read the book, make sure to watch a summary in a YouTube video. To improve your social skills, you have to strive to make new friends. This could be approaching people that you don't know. You have to read the book of what it says on each chapter and implement it in real life when you are socializing with people. You could also try this on random people, not just people that you know. The research says if you level up your social skills, you will live a much happier life. At the beginning, it could be hard socializing with people. Like it was very hard for me. I was shaking inside, but I kept doing it and doing it, getting myself out of comfort zone, and it became second nature. But it takes years to build the confidence where you don't feel anything anymore. But at first it feels like so much, but every time you just see someone, just try your best to smile, and if they smile back, just say hi. That's that's how you be social and make new friends. Think about it. Are you going to be more happy being alone or more happy being with good friends? Your answer to the first question is probably a no. Your answer to the second question is probably a yes. Chapter 7, Purpose in Life. Find your purpose in life. My purpose is to inspire other people about how much you can accomplish in life. I was this kid who was told that I wasn't going to be good at anything. I wasn't going to be able to do anything. I wouldn't make it in life. That my life is going to be hard because I don't work hard enough. I want to keep working, not prove to other people, but to myself about how much I am capable of doing. Find your purpose in life, and you'll find all the fuel necessary to keep going on the days that you don't want to keep going. What if you don't know your purpose? Here's an action step for you. Cut out all the things that are distracting you. This includes porn, Netflix, video games, weed, or any kinds of drugs that is affecting you. After cutting out all the distractions, turn off all the screens in your room. Now, close your eyes and think about what you want to do. Think about what you want to accomplish. Here are 11 questions like listed down below. You can pause the video and ask yourself and think deep about it when you ask yourself about these questions. Here's an action step for you. Write down your thoughts on a piece of paper or a note app on your phone. Fulfilling all these steps will make you happier in life. Everyone starts off not so well, but if you keep practicing and implementing over time, you will get better at it. Remember to never quit. Trust the process. Do not quit and you will hit your goal. Do not quit and you will be successful. Do not quit and you will be happier. Do not quit and you will build that 10 out of 10 physique. Just show up to work even if you don't want to. Show up and just be consistent. Follow your routine. You will make great progress. That's what makes life worth living. For a longer version of this video, watch Hamza's video down in the description below. I was actually inspired by him to make this video. I don't want to be this guy, but if you found this video helpful in any kind of way, liking it will show the algorithm that to promote more of these videos. It will reach more people. And also subscribe if you want more content like these. Peace and love to the planet Earth. Can I get a hug?